Welcome to Wild Rose Haven, where we're doing it ourselves.
Alright, so carrying on from where we left you last time, where we just unboxed it and basically got everything out, we're now going to grind some meat. The missus decided she wanted to do pork and chicken mixed sausage pate breakfast patties. So looking forward to those. But first, I don't know if we showed you, but the different heads that were wrapped in plastic, this is for making the sausage. And these are the two different size grinding heads. The one we've got in there is actually the biggest one, which is, they say it's an 8mm. So we're going to put that through first and then we'll see what happens. Of course, we've got the plunger. This is a set of teeth that go in here, but the one that's in here, it has the 4 teeth. So this is a 2 teeth. Oh, I don't know if it's for rougher meat or what, and I have no idea what this is for because the instructions weren't quite forthcoming on what they were for. So we'll try it and see, and if it doesn't work, we'll change them out, and if somebody knows, let us know. So anyway, we're ready to bang some meat through. So let's, I'm going to push the meat button. Push the steak icon. I guess I have to turn it on. Ah, there we go. And there it goes. With the pork, it seems to be, it really needs to be cubed. We were going to try putting strips down there, but I don't know if they'd have gone down the hole. Now that I'm doing it.
It's just coming out really easily. Ow. It's so cool.
So that's actually not bad. I mean, it's a rough grind, so. And works pretty good. So now, because we're going to mix it together, I'm going to put the chicken in straight after it. If we're going to do something different, obviously you take it all apart, clean it all, blah, 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 don't mix your meats, but we're mixing them anyway, so I'm just going to start putting it down there.
That is the chicken now, right?
This is now the chicken with skin, and let's see how it deals with it. It doesn't seem to have a problem dealing with the skin or anything. Well, the fact the chicken is actually kind of not so cute, more strippy. But once it hits the auger, it seems to be able to pick it up. Nice. You know, it's not a whole ton of meat we're putting down there right now because we're kind of experimenting with flavors and things, so we're just trying different things. But I'm going to put a big chunk of skin through. Let's see how it handles it. Well, I guess it doesn't care.
Wow.
Alright, so now I do seem to have some liquid drips coming out from here, which is, I don't know why, but they are. Maybe because the meat was super juicy, who knows. And I also did see a trick I will share, which I'm not going to do right now, but I did see it on another tube video. If you get to this point and you've still got meat in there, depending on the grinder, put some bread down there and let it do that, and it will push all your meat out for you. And of course, it's easy to pull the bread out or whatever when you're setting up. Just a tip for cleaning out your auger. So that's that apparently, and we're going to make some. I'm not. The missus is going to make some stuff. All right. So going back to the put some bread in it to feed it through, I just thought I'd take it apart and actually show you what gets left in there. Not much. That's it. That's all that's left on the auger. So it actually does a pretty efficient job of getting most of the meat through. Oh, I guess that's the reason, because it's the chicken skin that didn't get cut. It just got itself wrapped up a little. So anyway, the missus has decided we're going to run it through again on a smaller plate, which is why I'm just undoing everything. So we'll get that in just a second here. Alright, so having ground that one, we decided it's, I mean it ground it nicely, but it's a pretty kind of coarse grind. So we're actually going to try putting this back through on the skinniest grind, and we'll see how that does. So let's give it a whirl.
It is pretty quiet.
It is. It is.
Actually. I mean, we're not really talking much louder. Oh, wow.
It's not liking that very much.
It's not.
Maybe we should stop and change it up. Yeah, it's not.
No, maybe we should change the blade cutter thingy.
Oh, to this one.
Yeah.
Well, we can try it.
Let's try it.
So let's try it. Yeah, I don't know, but that's with the 2-blade cutter. We took the 4-blade cutter out, just to
And
the
that's on the medium.
and gone back to the medium. Which is, the fine was pretty dang mushy. So I mean, I guess when they say fine, they mean fine. Yeah, I didn't seem to be having a good time with the regrind. Get more coming back up the freaking chute.
You want to go back to the 4-blade, maybe?
Yeah, I guess this seems to have gotten itself plugged as well, so let's try that.
Oh, we stopped.
Alright, so I think the conclusion was that because we put that chicken skin in there, whilst the coarse plate managed it, it just strings out and clogs up the other plates, and so that's why it really wasn't working. As you can see, it's just comes out too stringy for it. So we put the coarse plate back in, we took the 2-tooth cutter out, put the 4-tooth cutter back in, and we're just going to run it through again on the coarse, plate, and just see how it comes out, and we'll give that a go right now.
There we go.
So it really doesn't like a regrind, is my impression. You're better off just putting it through off the bat, because the auger can't really pick it up as well as it does chunks of, you know, I mean, you can see, I mean, it's sort of doing it, but not as well
Not as fast.
as fresh stuff. And again, it could be that I can see it here, that the chicken skin is stringing out, and that's what's giving it a hard time. So it's not really the grinder's fault. But I do like to test things and see if they can actually do something they're probably not really designed to do so much. That way we know. So I'll be here for 5 days doing this, and by that time we'll just throw it all away, probably. I don't know.
Careful, babe.
It's just, yeah, I can feel that chicken skin plugging.
Well, if you want to stop, then that's, I mean, if that's good, that's good.
But saying that, it is coming out less kind of, I don't know, grainy, I guess.
It's finer.
Yeah, it's a finer.
So it's possible for you to do it, it's just a longer push, and
I wouldn't put chicken skin in there. So, because I can see the holes are clogging up, there's only a few that are staying open.
yeah, we'll see.
Just kind of some of the outside ones. See, not all the holes are having a good time.
Well, considering that, it's still damaging it. So.
Yeah, I mean, it's like I said, it's not the grinder's fault. I think it's the material we put through it and then tried to put through it again. But like I said, don't try, you don't know. So I think we'll probably call that good for this one, and next time we
Well, that's good. We'll
We'll just,
we'll mix that together. I'll
do
mix it
something
together.
else.
Yep.
All right. So it works better if you actually cube it rather than slice it. You can go down the auger better.
Okay.
It also means you can get it down the chute.
But it's definitely the way to go is the first grind. If you decide you want to grind your meat fine, you have to do it on the first grind. It does not do a double grind well at all. But it can grind chicken and the skin at the same time, no problem, first time through. So that's what we need to find out, and it has done it. Amzchef meat grinding on a fine grind. So tip is, Mr. Rose says it works better if you cube it instead of doing the long chunks that I did, like that one. Yeah, it's not happy with that one too. Like, I mean, it fits down the chute, but it just goes through the auger much better if it's in a cube situation, chunks. More square, not rectangular. Let's see. That's kind of a big piece. Do you have another small piece? Is that it? Here you go. That's almost 2.5 pounds of meat right there.
Welcome back to Wild Rose Hay.